The Allahabad High Court on Wednesday granted permission to authorities to whitewash Sambhal Jama Masjid Mosque from the outside and also to decorate it with lights without tampering with anything. The court has directed that the whitewashing work should be completed within a week. The next hearing in the case is going to be on April 8th. Now, the High Court was hearing a plea filed by the Management Committee of the Shahi Jama Masjid Sambhal seeking permission for the whitewashing of the mosque, where the objections of the committee against the ASI's report dated back to Feb 28th were taken on record.
हमारी एप्लीकेशन हमने मूव करी थी कि ड्यूरिंग रमज़ान हर साल संभल की जो जामा मस्जिद है उसमें वाइट वॉशिंग और लाइटिंग का इंतज़ाम होता है। इस साल भी होना चाहिए था, बट ये मामला इस वक्त कोर्ट में पेंडिंग था, तो हमने एप्लीकेशन कोर्ट से रिक्वेस्ट पहले एएसआई को हमने एप्लीकेशन मूव करी थी। उन्होंने जब हमारी एप्लीकेशन डिसाइड नहीं करी तो हम कोर्ट के पास आए थे। कोर्ट ने आज ये डायरेक्शन दिया है कि विद इन ए वीक एएसआई लाइटिंग वर्क कंप्लीट करेगी और वाइट वॉश जो बाहरी वॉल पे होना है वो कंप्लीट करके एक हफ्ते के अंदर कमेटी को हैंड ओवर करेगी। मस्जिद कमेटी तो पिछले 100 साल से करती चली आ रही है, बट अब ये डिस्प्यूट अराइज हो चुका है, कोर्ट में मामला पेंडिंग है, एएसआई को हैंड ओवर हो चुकी है मस्जिद, मतलब एएसआई को डायरेक्शन हुआ है कि वो पुताई करेगी।
My colleague Piyush Pandey is joining us live on the broadcast. Piyush, please tell us what are the conditions that the court has highlighted by approving this particular whitewashing within a week. Also, if this whitewashing process is a regular thing at the Shahi Jama Masjid.
Yes, Sakshi, actually today Allahabad High Court has directed to Archaeological Survey of India to carry out on the whitewashing on outer wall in Sambhal Jama Masjid and given direction to ASI to do that thing within a week. And because of there is a contract between ASI and Sambhal Jama Masjid of 1927, so that many of questions asking by Justice Rohit Ranjan Agrawal to ASI, why not you done that before that, and ASI replied to High Court because of some clashes between Sambhal Jama Masjid Samiti and between ASI. They filed FIR, many times filed FIR, and so that they have not done before that. So today Allahabad High Court given direction to ASI to whitewash within a week outer wall of Sambhal Jama Masjid, and the money of the expenditure will be reimbursed by Sambhal Jama Masjid Samiti after the work completion. Yes, Sakshi.
Right, and we are also, hearing that the next hearing in this particular case is going to be on April 8th. What can be expected from that, Piyush?
Actually, ASI will submit a report of the whitewashing of outer wall, and that report will be submitted after next hearing, which is 8th of April, and then High Court will dispose the matter, which is filed by Sambhal Jama Masjid Samiti, and the other case, which case is exactly the related to Sambhal, is also pending in lower court, and the High Court and application is also pending. So this case is limited to only for whitewashing, so that next hearing the High Court will dispose that intervention application after the completion of work, and the ASI whenever that will file the report on the whitewashing in High Court.